Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you an ICT trading strategy which has proven to make people a profitable trader and finally pass the FTMO or funded challenges, okay? If you've never passed a funded challenge before and you're still struggling and you're still unprofitable, watch this video to the end. If you click off in a minute or two, then that's all on you, okay? You're not going to become a profitable trader in the future. This strategy, you can trade it at 2 times of the day. So if you're living in New York, you can trade in New York session. If you're living in New York and it's London session and you can't trade, you can just trade in New York. And if you're in London, you can trade in London, wherever you want. You can trade at 2 sessions of the day. And the 2 hours that you're trading daily can make you more than someone working a job for hours and hours and hours, or even month or even a year, depending on what your capital size is, of course. This strategy is incredible. When I tell you it, your mind will be blown, okay? So without further ado, let's get straight into this. A doctor, he works about 4 years, 5 years to get his qualifications, and he takes it seriously to get them qualifications. You as a trader should be taking it seriously in order to become a profitable trader. So if you can't watch this video to the end, there's no hope for you. Watch this entire 10-minute video and it will make you more than a doctor does. I can make you a profitable trader in this one video right here. So without further ado, let's get straight into this, okay? So the times which you need to trade the strategy is, we need to go on New York time right here, or you want to stay on London time, you can, because you can get this kill zone box indicator right here. As you can see, kill zone box indicator. You can get this by typing in kill zone boxes, and then you can get it right here, okay? And this is what's going to show you the kill zone boxes. So this right here, the purple one, is London kill zone. As you can see, it's 2 a.m. all the way to 5 a.m. and the New York kill zone's right here, and this is from 7 a.m. all the way till 10 a.m. right there, okay? Again, a few hours can make you more than someone working a month, a year, whatever. And that's all you really need for an indicator wise if you want to use it. And the pairs this works best on is EURUSD and GBPUSD. SPX does work, however I recommend you stick to these two. If you're a forex trader, this is for you, okay? If you're not, again, indices, this works really amazing on, okay? And the time frame you're going to stick on is, you're going to stick on the 15-minute time frame, and you're going to go down to the 1-minute time frame to get your entry, okay? You might say, well, whoa, this might just be one of them easy strategies. No, this is a completely different strategy. Watch this video to the end. It is one of a kind. So yeah, we just wait for the kill zone time to first open. So the kill zone time being at 2 a.m. all the way till 5 a.m. New York time. This is London kill zone, okay? And then we let price do whatever it wants before. However, once price touches, we have to look for a specific pattern. When I tell you this pattern, also ICT acknowledges this pattern so much. It's an amazing pattern you can use, and this will make you a profitable trader. And it's not this easy. I'm going to explain it to you from A to Z. So you wait for market to go up, down, whatever it wants to do. However, we have to wait for something to form. What is this something? Something is a power of 3. But wait, it's not this easy. You might say, well, whoa, power of 3 is so easy. No, there's so much more to this which no one talks about, okay? I'm going to tell you some little tips and tricks you can use in order to increase your win rate for the strategy by a lot. Because if you just use the power of 3, your win rate is not going to be good at all. But if you follow what I'm going to tell you in this video and you wait till the chart examples, then yeah, that's when you're going to become a profitable trader. So yeah, you're going to wait for the power of 3, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Let me just tell you what that means. Accumulation is when we get some sort of consolidation right here, price moves sideways. Manipulation is when we get a move to one side of the market, so a fake out move right here. And then distribution is a real move towards the downside, okay? And that's what the power of 3 is. And then we get the power of 3 right here. So accumulation, we need to get some sort of consolidation. Manipulation, boom, and then distribution, okay? And then in our trading times at 2 a.m, that's when we start looking for the trade. So we have to wait for the distribution to get tapped into, and then we enter our trade, okay? However, how do we get our entry? This is the hard part. We need to tap off an order block. Again, this is not an easy strategy like an easy 1, 2, 3 manipulation strategy, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, power of 3 strategy. No, it's completely different. Wait for me to explain it on the chart examples and then you'll understand it. So we tap off an order block right here. As soon as we tap off the order block, this is going to be an indication for price is about to drop, because we've got the power of 3 linked with timing, linked with an order block, and then we go to the lower time frame. What we do on the lower time frame is wait for a little entry model, which I'm going to teach you on the chart examples, and then we just enter in the trade. So what this entry pattern is we have to wait for a market structure shift, price to rebalance into a order block or FVG, and then particularly FVG right here, and then we wait for price to drop, okay? So if it does that, we get into our entry, but again, it's not this easy. Wait for me to show you the chart example right now, and then that's when you'll understand it, okay? So let's go straight to the chart example. However, before I do carry on, I do want to say, if you want to join the mentorship, it's $50 lifetime. It comes with so much. It will surely make you a profitable trader. I teach 2 strategies, which I won't teach on YouTube for free, which has such a high win rate. I'll just show you some student results right here. As you can see, this is a testimonials channel. As you can see, so many good results already. This community is top notch. Everyone here is here to help each other out. And then you can reach all of this. Best of the best. Absolute legend. information, easiest and best strategy. And this is so many people saying this. It's not only me. Great to have trader insights, best of the best. Learned so much from you, bro. And yeah, as you can see, people are liking the strategy so much. I don't know where to start. Happy expression. Bills is the real plug when it comes to forex trading. You gave me real results to believe in trading again. This guy's real, know how to print money. I hope we meet one day in person, and we will. Okay. So the reason why it's so low, the reason why it's $50 lifetime is because I will do funding opportunities on my personal capital in the future. So if you want to join right now, you'll have a chance to be funded with my personal capital. So an offer to $50 lifetime is going back to its normal price, and I am actually closing this mentorship very, very, very soon. The reason why I'm closing it is because I want a cap of people to join, and then these cap of people can manage my funds. I can't really have like 2,000 people joining and then fund every single one. I want to fund every single person I know which is good with my strategy. It comes with so much which will surely make you a profitable trader. It also comes with learn and earn. So I do live trading calls 2 times a week showing you how I trade, and also trading live in front of you so you can learn and earn at the same time. And just to show you some testimonials through Instagram right here, you can read it all yourself, and so many people are profiting in the mentorship. So join today. You will regret not joining it. No, you will regret not joining it at the price it's at right now, and you will regret not joining, of course, and you won't regret joining for the how much information you're going to get. If you join anytime later, you can be profitable later, but you have a much more higher chance of being profitable with my strategy and joining the mentorship than you do if you don't join a mentorship. You have to invest in yourself. A doctor invests $40,000 in himself to actually get to the doctor role, and you're not willing to invest $50. You should be ashamed of yourself if you're not really willing to invest. And it doesn't have to be my mentorship. It can be anyone's mentorship, but really and truly, you should really be ashamed of yourself if you're not willing to put money into somewhere to actually learn and make more out of it, like many other people have. So without further ado, let's get straight back into the video. So we're on EURUSD right now. This is London kill zone at 2 a.m. all the way to 5 a.m. And yeah, we just follow the exact same entry pattern which I told you. Okay, so here you go. We're not in kill zone session yet, so we don't have to trade. And as you can see, we've got our accumulation right here. Now we wait for a manipulation and distribution. It can be in either side of the market. Price can drop down, manipulation, and then distribution up. Okay, it can literally do that. So now we just wait for our trading time. So our trading times are not right here. Our trading time starts right over here. Okay, so now we need to wait for a manipulation. We haven't got the manipulation right now. You might say, well, there might be an entry right here. Yes, accumulation, manipulation, tap into the order block, maybe distribution. However, we're not in our trading times. Okay, so we got this order block right here, and yeah, let's see if price does anything from that. And no, it doesn't. If you've got the 1 minute time frame, once price tapped off it, we didn't form a market structure shift, and then price broke above the region, so that's no entry right there. I'll show you what I mean by the region after this example. Then the other 2 examples to show you, they're the real deal examples. And then we got this order block right here. Let's see what happens off this order block. Boom, we tapped off the order block. We got the tap into it. We had a break of this low. As soon as you have the break of this low, we have to see some displacement. I would like to see price breaking below the low of the body, and it didn't do right there. So anyway, and then price formed this new high. As soon as it formed this new high right here, we just wait for a market structure shift. Okay, so break of this low, and then we had some displacement. As you can see, the bodies of these candles broke below the low right here, and then where we enter from is we enter from the extreme FVG being right here. Or if you want your stop loss to be bigger, because the stop loss is going to be very small, you can have it right off this order block right there. But let's just keep the FVG for the sake right here. Entry, boom, stop loss above the high. It's a very small stop loss. However, of course, you can adjust it for yourself however you like. And where you're going to target is you're going to target the accumulation lows. Why? It's because there's a really nice set of liquidity, and this is where the orders are resting. So right here, 1 to 10 RR, and boom, it taps into it straight away. And this was today. Okay, so now let me show you another example being right here. Again, this is at New York kill zone time this time, and this entry is also extremely nice. Okay, so got this order block right here. The order block region is this entire region right over here, and then we have to wait for our entry off that. Okay, so trading times have not started yet. As you can see, the blue box hasn't opened yet, and boom. Okay, so accumulation right over here, manipulation has just started, and now we wait for distribution, and 7 o'clock has actually hit. Okay, so there you go. We tapped off the order block. Now we look for a market structure shift. Boom. Okay, there you go. We got a market structure shift of this low, and price closed with a body below this low right here. And now what we do is we just enter off this extreme fair value gap right here. That's how easy it gets. Boom. Okay, entry right here, stop loss above the high, and that's how it goes. Okay, and we're literally just going to target the accumulation lows, which is resting right here. 1 to 5 RR. Win rate and the RR for the strategy is incredible. Okay, so now let me show you the final example on GBPUSD, and this example is the one which might trick a lot of you. Okay, so again, exact same thing. We trade in our trading times right here. So accumulation, we can say, is all right here. Now we wait for manipulation, and there's this order block region right over here. It's a big region. However, looking for a market structure shift of that order block is a little bit hard to find, so you have to wait for it. Accumulation right here, and there's no other order block in this entire region. If there is, price has already tapped into it before our trading time, so we have to wait for this one to get tapped into. There you go. We've got the accumulation, manipulation right now, and now we wait for distribution, okay? Price tapped off our zone. Now let's look for a market structure shift. Same exact thing. Price made this high, the most recent low before this high was right over here. There you go, price broke it with a body, and then where you're going to enter from is you can literally enter from an FVG and then get your entry. And you could say it's tapped off this FVG right here, okay? Boom. Very nice. Right over here, okay? Again, you have to be a sniper entry for this one. However, this is just how it goes. You have to be quick with every entry you get. Also, if you look for a break of this low right here, what you could have done, so price broke this low with a wick and then retracement into this FEG you could have entered. It all depends on you, whichever entry you would have got. But this is probably the entry I would have got right here, and then stop loss below the stop loss above the high, and then take profit below the low right there. Okay. And again, I don't trade this strategy myself. However, the strategy which I traded a much higher win rate than this, a much higher ROI, which I'll never teach on YouTube for free, has proven to make people profitable. So if you want to join today, link in the description below. You will regret not getting it for the offer price. So join today, okay? So that's it from me. Follow my Instagram at Trading with Bills, or Trader Bills, not Trading with Bills. Don't follow that; it's a scam account. Or the Bills _SMC. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.